Hello everyone, Izzy here from the Oakdale Golf Academy. Today what we're going to do is playful practice. I'm going to improvise. I'm going to show you how you can get the most out of your practice facility and have a lot of fun doing it and develop skills at the same time. I got a big pitching area here. I'm going to move the camera around. I'm going to hit a bunch of shots and I'm going to talk about them. Hope you enjoy this. All right, so first step here is I got a 60-degree wedge and I'm just looking to hit really good quality shots, getting the balls out, and not over stress about it. I'm going to hit one into the bunker over there, shoot one at the flag, little strong, so you go to the next one. Try to dial in on that touch. Ball's way above my feet, it's going to go to the left. Try to create something out of this situation. It's not a stock shot. You got to play with it. I'm just going to different areas of the practice area here. Going to flop this up and try to drop it right in the bunker. Good. Flop one over to that flag. Good. So once you have your skills, you got to do things with them. You got to improvise, create shots. That's a low chipper, so I put it in the back of my stance, brought the club up, brought it down, held the follow through. It was a digger. Then we can go on the golf course and we could create these scenarios. And you'll be able to handle them a little more efficiently, effectively. Little flop. Can I hit that shot off of a tight lie? That's a lot more challenging. You got to be precise. There we go. Let's hit another one. Can't go wrong with 3 in a row. Nice. You got to take all your skills, I think anyways, and play around with them. See what they do. Don't worry about touch so much yet. Or you can. Play around and see what you can do with the skills you currently have. What can you get better at? If you want to get this real close, you got to work at it a little bit and don't get upset when you don't hit a shot properly. You ever practice this? Come on, let's do this. All right. Club's way down the shaft. Hands are way down the shaft, I mean. Just fool around, once in a while, here and there. Try these shots. You know you're going to need them once in a blue moon. Try to hit one towards you. Not too much sand in it, but hey, so what? What are you going to do? There we go. See if I can get one to the flag. It rains, so the sand is hard. Got to adjust. Hey, I like that shot. So I have a few uneven lies here. Let's just hit a low chip shot. Keeping everything together. Try a real high one, same style. Keeping everything together. Well, this is a tough shot. It's not a real green, but it's still a shot that you have to try to create. Downhill lie. Short pin, slide across, go to the next one until the skill comes to you. There we go. Shoot it to another area, look for another target, try to hit it there. Did you hit it well? Good. As long as you're hitting them well, guess what? You're going to get some good results. You don't always have to hit them to your target. We're always trying to, but as long as you come close, you're going to have success. You're going to enjoy the game. Take a different angle, different lie, balls below my feet. It's leading my shaft ahead so I can get the face on the ball. Everything's compromised, now I just got to deliver the club. That's how I had to create that shot. Ball's way above my feet, probably 1.5 feet. Pretend the green's lightning fast. Can I hit this precisely? Oh, that was so good, but I didn't hit it hard enough. So do your best to make this playful. Experiment. Hit shots. Try your best to always hit quality strikes on the ball. That solves most of our problems. Ball's above my feet. Got a soft wrists there. Yeah. Little flopper. Good. So on the golf course, everything is a spin-off of your basic fundamentals. I hope somehow I've inspired you to go to your local practice facility, fool around, hit some balls. All kinds of shots. Depending on your stage, level of skill level of golf, you can go for more accurate things. And make sure you can at least hit the golf shots. And if you can't, work at it. And you'll improve. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.